The complete guide to building your coaching business online, the simple way. If you're ready to take your coaching business online or refine how you deliver your programs, this video is for you. Not to overwhelm you, not to throw more tools at you, but to show you simple, human-centered ways to build your coaching business online. No jargon, no complicated tech stacks, no pressure to do everything at once. Just create clear steps to help you coach with confidence and deliver real transformations. Why coaching works so well online. Coaching already has structure built into it. You guide people through insight, reflection, action, and transformation. Moving that process online doesn't weaken it, it supports it. When coaching lives online, your clients gain a clear path to follow, support between sessions, flexibility in when they engage, space to reflect and apply, one single home for their journey. And when everything lives inside one calm platform, your coaching becomes easier to deliver and easier for clients to experience. Start with one clear transformation. Every coaching business begins with clarity. Before you build anything online, you need to define the one thing clearly. What transformation do you guide your clients through? This is the foundation of everything. Your programs, your offers, your messaging, your confidence. If you try to build before this is clear, things feel scattered. When this is clear, everything else becomes simpler. Your entire coaching program rests on this transformation. Turn your framework into a program. Most coaches already have a method, even if they've never written it down. It's the way you naturally guide people through change. When you turn that method into a program, it becomes modules, lessons, reflections, and action steps. This doesn't require complexity, it requires clarity. Your framework becomes the foundation of your entire coaching ecosystem. Whether you're offering one-to-one coaching groups, programs, or courses. Build your coaching offers. A strong coaching business usually includes a mix of offers. For most coaches, it looks like this. One-to-one coaching, this is for your deepest level of support. Group coaching, a structured container with accountability and community. Courses or self-paced programs, a scalable version of your framework. These offers are not separate ideas. They work best when they support each other. When your offers are connected, your business feels steadier and easier to grow or scale. Create your coaching packages. Your coaching package doesn't need to be complicated. At its core, it needs a clear duration, a set number of sessions, support between calls, one clear transformation, a simple structure. Clients don't need endless options. They need clarity and reassurance. When your package is clear, inviting people into it feels natural and it doesn't feel salesy. So now build a simple client funnel. Funnels don't need to be pushy or complicated. For most coaches, a simple, grounded funnel works beautifully. A lead magnet, a short nurture sequence, an invitation to work with you, and that is it. This kind of funnel feels human, it respects timing, and it works quietly in the background without any pressure. So now on to create an online home for your brand. Your personal brand matters more than your color palette. Coaching is relational. People want to know who you are, what you believe, how you can help. Your online home is where that trust begins. When your website and content feels warm, clear, and grounded, people feel safer taking that next step. Your online home becomes the doorway to your coaching business. So improve the client experience. Your coaching platform should feel steady and organized for your clients. They should always know where to start, where to find resources, and their next step. When clients feel oriented, anxiety drops. When anxiety drops, engagement increases. A smooth client experience supports transformation. Use communities to strengthen that engagement. Communities is one of the most powerful tools in coaching. A private coaching community gives clients belonging, accountability, encouragement, and of course, reflection and support between their sessions. This keeps clients engaged long after a call ends. Community doesn't replace coaching, it deepens it. Run your entire coaching business in one place. Your coaching system becomes stronger when everything lives in one environment. Your website, your programs, your courses, your group calls, your one-to-one portal, your community, and indeed your funnels. Having this all in one platform, or one easy to manage admin area, makes things so much easier for you. And that goes for your emails as well, and your email sequences. So when everything is connected, your business feels calmer. And when things feel calmer, coaching becomes more effective. When you're ready, launch simply. Most coaches wait too long to launch because they want everything perfect. But perfection doesn't create transformation. Clarity and consistency do. Your first version doesn't need to be final. It just needs to be clear. Launch simply, support real people, and improve as you go. That's how coaching businesses grow steadily, sustainably, and with intention. Building your coaching business online doesn't need to feel overwhelming. When you focus on clarity, structure, connection, everything becomes easier for you. And when your system supports you, you get to focus on what matters most, the coaching itself. If you found this interesting, check out the supporting blogs by following the link in the description. And remember, to see more of these videos, then simply subscribe. Hit that little bell icon now.